So in our last class, we had discussed about measurements. Yaad hai? One scale and how many centimeters and how many inches we discussed that? Yaad hai ki nahi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will draw something here. I'll write something here, and you have to tell me what's going on. Okay? Ready? Pay attention, okay? Have any doubts? Ask in between. All right? Okay. You can see my board?
Yes.
So last time we said, एक minute. Okay. We found out 1 centimeter, sorry. 1 inch is equal to how many centimeters? किसको याद है?
2.5. 2.5.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Check it on your scale if you are sure or not. Check it. 1 inch 2.5. लग तो रहा है 2.5 है. पक्का है? पक्का है कि नहीं?
Yes, 2.5.
2 inches will be how many centimeters?
3.5. 5.
1 inch. 1 inch. 2.5.
Yes, ma'am.
2 inches. How many?
5. Yes, ma'am. 5 inches. 5
inches.
No, centimeter. Ma'am, 7.8.
No.
No.
7.5.
Simple.
No. So what will that?
Multiply.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, 5 inches. 5 inches.
How did you get 5 inches? 1 plus
2.5.
बोलो 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 बोलो
2.5 plus 2.5.
2.5 plus 2.5 is, can you see where I'm writing? Okay.
Yes, there.
2.5 plus 2.5 कितना हुआ? 5 plus 5 10.
5 plus 5, 10.
2 plus 2 4 plus 1
5.
25 plus 25 is 50.
Yes.
50. Bring the decimal in the center. Okay.
5.0. 5 inches.
Now, will 2.5 plus 2.5 be the same as 2.5 into 2?
No.
No, Pakka?
Ma'am, it will be yes. Yes, ma'am, it will be same. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5.0. Yes, ma'am. Same.
So we learned that X number of times of addition is equal to that many number of times into multiplication. Agreed? If I do 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, how many times did I add 2.5? Okay, let's start it this way. No worries, don't worry, don't worry. We'll come back, we'll come back. Okay, now how much is this?
6. Six.
Is it the same?
Yes.
So I added 3 times What did I add 3 times?
2.
3 times 2. Right?
Yes.
So, I did 3 times. I did 2. So, what did I get?
6 answer.
Okay. Let's go to the next sum. Now, you have to remember all these things that I'm telling you, because this is going to help you in your measurement calculations.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I wanted to tell that if we do a lot of plus like this in the exam, it will take up lot of time. So when we are doing into, it will be faster.
you are so correct. Correct. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. कितना आएगा?
24. 24.
How many times have I written 4?
6.
So how will I write it in multiplication?
6 into 4 into 6 equals
6 times 4. How many times have I written 4?
6.
So 6 times 4 is 24. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yeah? I'm going to go over this once again. And now Tanishka will answer. Everybody will be quiet. If anybody else answers, that person will be named Tanishka today. Huh? Tanishka, watch out. You are the only one to answer. अगर तुम्हारे जगह किसी और ने आंसर किया ना, आज उसका नाम तनिष्का है.
She's taking the post. 15.
Good job. So how will I write it in multiplication form?
5 times 3. 5 into 3 is equals to 15.
I am glad nobody else became Tanishka. Good job. क्या बात है? Everyone's learning to take their turns, huh? Good. Okay. Now it is Vihan's turn. Okay, Vihan, your turn.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell one thing.
Yeah, tell.
Ma'am, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, both of them will be same only.
The answer will be the same, but there is a difference in the meaning. Okay. Now in this Agla addition, I will show you why it will be different. Okay. You brought up a very good point. I will just explain to you why it will be different. Okay. If you're going to read it like a language, if you're just going to do it like a sum, no, 5 plus 3 and 3 plus 5 is always going to be 8. But what should come first and what should come next, that you will understand only when you read it in the language form. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. Now it is Vihan's turn.
Like in word problem.
20.
How much?
It's 30.
Always wait for the sum to be completed. Okay. Now, Vihan, how will I write it in multiplication form?
3. 10 into 3 is 30.
10 into 3 is 30. 3 into 10 is also 30. But how will I write this sum in multiplication form?
10 times 3 is 30.
10 times 3? I will show you what is 10 times 3. Huh? 1, 2, 3,
3 times 10 is
5,
30.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 times 3. Do you understand? This is 10 times 3. This will be 10 times 3. What will this be?
30.
Shh. Whoever answers will become Vihan today.
3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30.
Now understood, Ranveer? Why it means different?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
This means there were 10 people and they had 3 pencils each. Okay? This means there were 3 people and they had 10 pencils each. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Although the ultimate value of your answer is going to be the same, how you express it is very important. How you say it in a sentence, how you say it in the language is very important. 10 लोगों को 3 पेंसिल मिला या 3 लोगों को 10 पेंसिल मिला, इसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. करेक्ट? हाँ या ना? Now you understand why you should know exactly how to express it in addition and in multiplication.
Yes.
First, what you will take as a rule, how many times is it coming? It is coming 10 times. You will write the number of times first. Okay? How many times is it coming up? You will write the number of times first. And then you will multiply it by the actual number. Got it? How many times is it coming here? कितनी बार दिख रहा है यहाँ पे?
3.
So you will write 3. 3 बार हमने 10 लिखा है. हमने 10 कितनी बार लिखा है? 3 बार लिखा है. इसलिए वो 3 times 10 है. समझ में आया? Pranav, Tanishka, Subhan, everyone understood?
Yes.
Subhan, now your turn. Okay? If anybody other than Subhan answers, today they'll be called Subhan. Remember that.
Ma'am, can I tell one more thing?
What? Yes, you can tell one more thing. Go
Ma'am,
ahead.
can I tell? Like when a number comes first in the word problem, you write that first and then you multiply minus or plus the other number.
Yes. We will come to word problems and it always depends upon the language. Remember, math is a language. You remember our first class of math?
Math.
In the first
Yes.
class of math, I said something very important. It is a
Measurement.
Language.
Language.
Of
Language.
Numbers. Language of numbers.
language of numbers.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, please.
क्यों क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
No, class is going on. Tell me why you want 2 minutes right now. Tanishka, class is going on. Why do you want 2 minutes right now?
Ma'am, she is ready. Ma'am, please ask me a question.
One minute. She said no. Give me a minute. Let's just give her a minute.
Tanishka, come fast.
Too much disturbance is happening.
Tanishka's back. अच्छा, power आ गया तनिष्का के घर पे. Okay. Tanishka back.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is Pranav.
Ma'am, he will join now only.
Okay, he'll just go ground floor and join, right? Okay, fine. Till
I
then, I'll ask
will
Subhan.
bring a cards.
Subhan, your turn.
Yes. Ma'am, ask me the question.
Yes, here the question is coming up. What is this?
7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 28.
How much? How much? Subhan, how much did you say? Subhanam, how much did you say? What is the answer?
What? 28.
Now say it in a multiplication form.
And 7,000.
Subhan, please say it in multiplication format. Subhan, are you there? Subhan, say it in multiplication format.
Yes. 7 4 are 28.
I know 7 4s is 28. Say this entire sum in a multiplication format.
7 1s are 7. 7 2s
Subhan,
are 7.
Subhan, you
What?
didn't hear what we were
Yes.
doing all this time? How did we
Yes.
write this entire sum in multiplication format?
Ma'am, first we added 7 7 7.
How will you write this in multiplication format?
Ma'am, only I am not able. I didn't understand that one.
Okay, fine. Ranveer, please tell me if this answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am, it is correct.
How will you write it in multiplication format?
4 times 7.
Oh.
And why is it 4 times 7?
Because 7 is written 4 times.
So why are we writing 4 first and not 7 first?
Because if we write 7 first, we will have to write 4 7 times.
Correct. Subhan, did you understand what was told?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you the next sum. Will you do that? Subhan, I'm going to give you the next
Yes.
sum.
Yes.
Tell me how much is this?
Yes, same. Ma'am, show 2 2 3 4 5 6 2 4 10 2 6 12 2 14 14.
Very good. How will you write it in multiplication format?
Ma'am, 7 times 2.
Thank you. Good job. Vihan, is this correct?
Can I take a break?
No, not right now. There is time. Vihan, is this correct? Have you said it correctly?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes?
I want to take a break now.
Okay, go. Okay. Tanishka, where did she go now? Pranav, when are you going to join back? Okay. Ranveer, are we on a water break?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, you just said.
No, I only allowed Vihan to go.
Oh.
Okay, there, my kiddo is back. All right. Next, Subhan, I want you to solve this next one. How much is this?
Ma'am, show 8 on the 24.
How will you write it in
3
multiplication
times 8.
format?
3 times 8.
Very good. Okay. We'll just allow Tanishka
Yes.
to join the class. All right. Okay. Now, so now you understand how many times of addition is equal to how many times of multiplication, right? Yes. Now I'm going to give you one sum and you're going to solve it at home. This is the sum. Correct?
Yes.
1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Why? Because it measures that way on the scale. Correct? It measures like that on the scale. This is a fact. This is how it is. Correct? Now, you are going to find out 3 inches is equal to how many centimeters? Write down the sum. Write down the sum. Write down the sum. You're also going to find out 5 inches is equal to how many centimeters? Got it? Have you written it down? If you haven't written it down, those who have not been able to write it down, no worries. I'll still send it to you on your WhatsApp groups. but still, I would like you to copy it and write it down in your books.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I am writing that.
Okay. Right. Take it. I'm here.
Ma'am, I am not seeing that.
Huh?
Ma'am, I can't see.
You can't see the board?
Now, yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Okay. If 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeters, find how many 3 inches are, and also find how many 5 inches are in centimeters.
Ma'am, it is homework or
It is homework. Yes, it is homework, because now in another 10 minutes you have Marathi class. Okay, have you written down the sum? Two very simple sums. Two very simple sums. I want you all to solve it today and send me the photo of it today. If you do that today itself, I will be giving the person whoever sends it today itself will get a star. You know, everyone gets a star at the end of the week for a lot of things that you do. If you complete this today itself and submit it, you will get 1 star. You give me correct answers, you will get 2 stars. Now I want you all to remember one very important thing. If you cannot solve this, do not go and ask your parents to help you. You will come back to class and I will help you for it. Understood?
Ma'am, I finished with it also.
Whoa! What is the answer?
Also,
3 inches is 8 centimeters, 5 inches is 13 centimeters.
ma'am, 7.5. And 3 inches is 7.5.
Oh my God, I'm getting so many different answers. What should I do? What am I supposed to do? Make this
3
You,
inches is 7.5. 7.5 centimeter.
Which one is 7.5?
3 inches.
Ranveer, what is the answer you got? Pranav got this answer. Ranveer, what is your answer?
ma'am, what your voice is taking a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranveer, what is your answer for this one?
13 centimeters.
Okay.
13
No,
centimeters.
12.5 centimeters.
Wait, Pranav, we'll come to whether it's being correct or not. Let everybody answer.
Ma'am, 3 inches is wrong. It is 8 centimeters, not 13. Sorry, I thought you were asking about 5 inches. Ma'am, erase that and put it at 8 centimeters.
I should put this as 8? Are you sure? I have no problem. I'll put it as 8. No issues.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
3 inches is 7.5 centimeters.
Wait now. We will come to whether it is correct or no. Don't worry. Who knows the answer to this one? Who knows the answer to this one?
Am I?
Yes, Pranav, tell me.
12.5.
Yes, ma'am. 12.5.
13.
Pranav is saying 12.5. Ranveer is saying 13. What is Tanishka saying?
Ma'am, 12.5. 12.5.
Tanishka is also saying 12.5. Subhan, what is your answer?
13.
Hooray, wow. We have 2 people saying 13 and 2 people saying 12.5. This is very interesting. I thought math में एक ही आंसर मिल सकते थे तो 2 आंसर है. हाँ.
12.5.
Very good.
12.5.
Okay,
देखो,
इसका
ये
क्या
5
आंसर
है.
है? इसका क्या आंसर है?
12.5 दिखा रहा है ना?
7.5.
Not 12.5.
7.5. 7.5.
Okay, only Ranveer has one different answer. Ranveer, are you using the same scale?
Yes, ma'am. I'm using this big scale.
Are you supposed to use the scale when you need to find out like this? Or what is the other method you should use to use? If you don't know, don't ask parents or people around you. Ask in the class, okay?
I don't know.
What is answer?
Okay. Pranav, can you explain?
What is answer?
I want you to explain the answer that you got.
Because 3 inches is 1 inch is 2.5 centimeter and 3 inches is so ma'am 2.5 plus 2.5 into 3 is 7.5.
Okay, thank you, Pranav. Thank you.
समझ में आया क्या?
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी कैसे समझ
Yes,
में आ गया?
ma'am.
कैसे समझ में आ गया?
Because of inch.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, 1 pen is equal to 5 rupees. 2 pens is equal to how much?
10.
How?
10. Because 25.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
Ranveer, look at the board. You can write down later. Ranveer, look here. Leave that. 1 pen is 5 rupees. 2 pens are 2 times
10
5.
rupees.
How did you
Yes.
get
5
it?
to
2
10.
times? 2 times
2
5?
5s are 10.
Okay. Next question Ranveer will answer, okay? 1 chair equals rupees 100. 2 chairs equals
100 into 100 into 2.
2 times 100. Why? Because 2 chairs. So it is 2 times 100. 1 chair 100. Second chair second 100. So it is 2 times 100. Got it? Tanishka, did you understand? Tanishka, have you understood? Tanu. Okay. So what is the answer, Ranveer?
200.
Are we sure of this?
Yes,
Okay.
I am sure.
Okay. Okay. Now, 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. How much will be 2 inches? One inch is 2.5 centimeters. Ranveer, how much will be 2 inches? Ranveer, are you there?
Yes.
No.
5.0.
5
5
inches.
No, you tell me the method. You tell me the method. You tell me how to get to the answer.
2.5 into 2.
2 into 2.5.
2 into 2.5.
Why? Because you will do 2.5 plus 2.5. How many times did you write 2.5?
Is 5. Ma'am, we want to write that, no?
So it is 2 into 2.5, not 2.5 into 2. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
And we want to write that.
So what is 2 into 2.5?
Ma'am, I wrote 2.5 into 2. That's how I got the answer.
You will still get 5, no? 2 into 3 and 3
Yes.
into 2 will still get you 6 only, right?
Yes.
Yes. But didn't you just type? Vihan, when someone's talking, you will listen. 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 will get you 6 only as answer, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But is there a difference between what comes first and what comes next? We just found that out.
Yes.
10 people having 3 pencils or 3 people having 10 pencils. There is a difference?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, that is why I want you to understand what will come first and what will come next. Got it? 2.5 into 2 will also give you this answer. But the right language manner, when you have to do it, you must write it as 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. How many times did you do that?
I mean 2, right?
2.5. Why? Because it's 2 inches. When it is 3 inches, what will you do?
So 3 into 2.5.
5. When it is 5 inches, what will you do?
5 into 2.5.
5 into 2.5. Got it? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
before Marathi teacher comes, just quickly copy what I'm going to tell you. Okay? Just quickly copy
No.
what I'm going to tell you. Copy what I tell you. Copy what I'm going to show you here. So the method in which you will do the answer in your book will be very clear. Okay? 1 inch equals 2.5 centimeters. Okay?
Ma'am, right?
2 inches equals 2 into 2.5 centimeters equals whatever will be your answer. 3 inches equals 3 into 2.5. I need you to write these inches, centimeters each time. Otherwise, if you submit your paper to me without writing the measurement unit, no, I will add there as apple, mango, banana. I will do that. So you must make sure you're writing the unit correctly. Okay? Now, in this same format, you need to do your sums all the way till 10 inches. How? You will do 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, till 10 inches. You're going to find out all these. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
We did 1 inch equals to 2.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you did 2 inches equals to 2.
Ma'am, you can send me one WhatsApp.
Sorry, what?
No, don't shout. Yeah.
What did you say, Pranav? Pranav, you said something.
Ma'am,
I didn't hear you clearly. Just repeat that.
you will send the homework on WhatsApp, no?
Yes, this is going to be your homework. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
1 inch equals 2.5, 2 inches equals 2 into 2.5, 3 equals 3 into 2.5. Like this, you're going to solve it until 10. And you must write the units of your answer.
Ma'am,
so it is not done.
Ma'am, we want to write with your steps now. How you are writing till
Yes,
3. We want.
Yes, you have to do it as per this step.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am is giving only we have to do multiplication.
Sorry, what?
Yes.
Ma'am, you are given only we have to do multiplication.
Yes, correct. Okay? All right. Let's take a 5-minute break now. Wash your eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wash your eyes with cold water. Dab it with a towel. Drink some water.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Do 10 jumping jacks and come back. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Snehal teacher.
Bye, ma'am.